Welcome to the Rocket.Chat Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we will be creating a Rocket.Chat server on DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean is an affordable cloud hosting provider that can easily host your Rocket.Chat server. Let's start by clicking on the Create button. Next, click the Droplets button. Click the Marketplace tab. Click the See All Marketplace Apps button. The easiest way to find the Rocket.Chat pre-built droplet is to search for it. Go ahead and type the word Rocket into the search text box. Select the Rocket.Chat option. Click the Create Rocket.Chat Droplet button. Now we will configure the Rocket.Chat droplet. For most applications, the smallest droplet size will be sufficient to run your Rocket.Chat server. In the future, if you find that your server is running low on system resources, it is simple to upgrade the droplet. Choose the data center that is closest to your geographic region. Enable the private networking, IPv6, and monitoring options. Give your droplet a name. Click the Create Droplet button. It may take a few minutes for your droplet to complete. Once your droplet is ready, you will need to set up your DNS. Click on the Networking tab. Enter the top-level domain you are going to use into the text field, then click the Add Domain button. Enter your subdomain into the hostname text field. Type in the IP address of your Rocket.Chat server into the Will Direct To text field. Click the Create Record button. In this video, we created a DigitalOcean droplet to host our Rocket.Chat server. We also configured a subdomain to point to our newly created droplet. In upcoming videos, we will configure our Rocket.Chat server to handle incoming and outgoing SMS messages. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.